Welcome to the Boots YouTube channel. Beside me I have our Beauty Stars advent calendar, and this advent calendar is £150 but is worth over £600. So let's get into it. Here she is in all of her glory. Starting off with day one, we have the Caudalie Moisturizing Mask. This is a full-size product that is worth £24. The texture is so smooth and it smells so fresh. Day two, this is a good one. We have the Aveda Botanical Repair Leave-In Treatment. This range smells so good. This is another full-size product that is worth £35.50, and a little goes a long way with this too. Day three, we have the Origins Ginseng Eye Cream. This is a full-size eye cream that is worth £30, and it has a really great brightening effect for the under eyes. Day four, we have the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Extreme. This is a super deep conditioning treatment, and this product is worth £21, but again with this, a little goes a long way. Day five, this is from the brand Floral Street, and it's in the scent Arizona Bloom. Now this 10ml fragrance is worth £29, but what's most important is how it smells. It genuinely smells like a tropical holiday, and I'm pretty sure some of the notes include coconut as well as Madagascan black pepper. Day six, we have the Laneige Berry Glowy Lip Balm. Now these are absolutely stunning and they are viral for a reason. This is a full size and this is worth £17.50. Day seven, we have the iconic Get Cheeky palette. This is a full-size palette that is worth £35. Guys, why is it so stunning? The ombre is actually killing me. Guys, there's two in day eight. Oh my god, this is insane. So we have a little lip combination for day eight. So not only are you getting this full-size lip liner that is worth £20, you also have the cutest little mini lipstick to add to the lip combo. This is such a killer day. Let's find out what's in day nine. So for day nine, we have the Lancome Genifique Ultimate Serum. And I feel like this is the perfect way to give a serum a go before you decide if you want to commit to it or not. So for day 10, we have a very iconic face wash. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. Honestly, I've seen this everywhere on social media recently, so I'm really excited to try it. This is a full-size cleanser that is worth £34. Day 11, we have the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. And if you don't like traveling with cotton pads, this is a perfect way to try out a toner that's already got the pad in the product. This is a full-size product that is worth £18. For day 12, we have the Viral Elemis Cleansing Balm, and this is iconic for a reason. It is so perfect for taking off your makeup at the end of the day, and it has a really refreshing and soothing smell. Like, it just smells like a spa. This is a little travel size, but it is worth £13.50. So for lucky number 13, we have NARS's Light Reflecting Hydrating Primer. This is a full-size primer which is worth £37. NARS's Light Reflecting collection in general is so incredible, but I've never tried the primer, so I'm really excited to get into this. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. Day 14, and we have the full-size Drunk Elephant Moisturizer, which is worth £62. Specifically, this is the Protini Polypeptide Cream. You will have seen her everywhere on social media. It strengthens and moisturizes, and I love the packaging. Look at it! 14 might have to be my favorite so far. So for day 15, we have the Shiseido Vital Perfection Uplifting Eye Mask. I feel like this is an essential for party season, and Shiseido skincare is 10 out of 10. I love an eye mask. Day 16, we have an Icon from Rituals. Everything in Rituals smells so good, and this body scrub is no exception. It smells incredible. Day 17, and we have a Fenty liquid lipstick. This is a full-size product that is worth £25. If you haven't tried any Fenty lip products before, they are so good. I love how long-lasting a liquid lipstick is. This is the Blemish Defeater Spot Gel for day 18, and when I say that this is one of the best spot gels I've ever used, you should see the one that's in my bathroom. It's beat up from literally using her every other week, and this is actually the full-size product that is worth £21. The applicator of this also super awesome. The way it applies is perfection. You can actually pop this underneath makeup because it applies in such a thin layer. Day 19, and we have a Too Faced lip oil. Too Faced have actually been killing the lip oil game recently, and this one is no exception. Look at how stunning she is. This is another full-size product that is worth £21. So for day 20, we have an Estee Lauder cleanser. This is actually a full-size product that is worth £36. I can't believe how many amazing full sizes we already have. Like, this cleanser looks insane and is gonna look perfect in my bathroom. Hopefully my mom doesn't steal it from me first. Day 21, and we have a little mini of one of my all-time favorite powders. This is the translucent Laura Mercier powder. Now this is a mini, but she is still worth £21.50. And when I say with this powder, a little goes a long way, like this mini size would last you ages. Day 22, and we have a little mini Hoola bronzer. The Benefit bronzers are so creamy and they blend out like a dream, and the Hoola bronzer is an icon. This is worth £17. For day 23, we have a Milk highlighter. I love that you can use Milk products in so many different ways. This highlighter is perfect for the little tops of your cheeks, but it's also perfect to just add to your collarbones or any like skin that might be showing if you're in a cute dress for party season. And this is worth £22. Last but definitely not least, this is day 24. Oh my gosh, and obviously we have to end this calendar with a little bit of Sol de Janeiro. This is a Sol de Janeiro body mist in Cheirosa 76. This 90ml spray is worth £24. I honestly can't believe the incredible value of this calendar and all the stunning products that they selected to put in it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you get your hands on these before they sell out. Let us know what you think in the comments. I want to know what was your favorite day and what you're most looking forward to unboxing in this calendar, and subscribe for more content like this. Bye!